children. Hope you all are okay and doing my work as usual. Now we'll continue with our work. Now block 3, work people do. Now previously we have learnt about tools and training. So each and every person individually, their work, they do the work with their tools. Okay, like tailor stitches clothes with the help of machine. Teacher teaches with the help of chalk, board, and also she needs children also, right? Children is very important to teach. Okay, then electrician, carpenter, you know all the tools, right? Okay. Children, today I will show you something. You'll see this one cloth, right? This is cotton cloth and this is jute. This bag is made with jute, right? And you can see my kurta with silk, right? Now previously you have learnt about the clothes, different types of clothes, colors, dyeing. In 3rd class all you have learnt. So today we will talk about weavers, weaving, how they will do. So one story is there. It is in your reader. Take out your reader, children. Open your reader, block 3, Bhagat's story. Now this is one weaver story, children. Now Bhagat is a weaver. He lives with his family in a village in Assam. Where he lives? He lives in a village. One weaver, he lives in a village in Assam. Assam is in the northeastern part of India. It is north side. You know north, south, east, west. Directions we have learnt, no? That. For almost 200 years. That is 200 years backstory this is. His family has been weaving Muga silk. The name of the silk is Muga silk. Muga silk is a special type of silk clothes made from silkworm. You know silkworm, you have learnt in science also. Bhagat learnt weaving from his father. So he has learned from his father. His father learnt it from the elders at home. Previously I told you know how they will learn. From forefathers they will learn the thing. Bhagat has 3 children. He is having 3 children. He plans to teach them weaving so that they can continue this work when they grow up. So he wants to continue this work. He wants to teach their children, his children also, so that this work will be going on continuously. It will be going on generation to generation. Bhagat weaves the cloth on his loom at home. This is a loom, children. It is at home. He made it at home. He buys silk thread and puts them on the loom. This is the loom which he keeps on that. You will see in the TV also. Then he and his wife weave the cloth with the thread. It takes him many months to weave on one sari. One sari, it takes 1 month to weave. Bhagat finds it difficult to earn enough money from weaving. He doesn't get much money from this weaving. The thread is becoming very costly and he does not find people who can buy these saris at a good price. naturally, no children. The thread is very costly and people also has to buy. If people doesn't buy, then it is difficult for him. Instead, shopkeepers from the city buy them from him at cheap price. Instead of that, what does shopkeeper does in cities? They will buy this saris things in cheap price, means very less price. Many, so that they can make profits. But weaver doesn't make profit. Many weavers from his village have moved to the cities in search of other jobs. Natural children, if they can't earn enough money, they have to move to the city for the other jobs. Means they will leave this job, this work, and they will go for to search the other job. Bhagat is worried that soon there may be no one left to weave these beautiful silk saris anymore. Yes, children, this will be decline. Decline means it will be vanish if they doesn't do this work continuously. So that also he is worried. So no one will left to weave. Nobody will weave then. Nobody knows. In one way, now it is the situation has become like this only. Okay, but nowadays we are having machineries. With machines they are weaving. Okay, with the help of machines. Okay, children. Now children, I made a small chart here. Weaver, what problems they face. Difficult to sell things, uses loom and thread, weavers weave cloth, not much money, learn skills from another person. Okay? You have seen word web. In this you have seen what difficulties they are facing. Used by Bhagat. What was the tools? That is loom. Timing also. It needs 1 month time to make one sari. And he learns from his father, and also he wants his children to learn same thing, same work. What does Bhagat do? He weaves. Okay. Now, Bhagat is a weaver from Assam. He and his family weaves Muga silk sari. Okay. Again, I am saying this story, which is made from silkworm. He has learnt this from his father, who is learnt it from his father. His family has been weavers for almost 200 years. They use looms to weave. In the future, if they don't earn enough money from weaving, his children or grandchildren may move to the city and take up other jobs. Now, difficulties about the way he has been trained and the way an engineer doctor is trained. Now this is what comparison between the weaver and the engineer and doctor. Can you think of similar job where people may be trained the way Bhagat got trained? What is the same between all job? Now this one I'll tell you. Doctor and engineers are trained in college for many years. They have to study and pass exam in order to do these jobs. Weavers learn weaving from their family or from other people. Like weaving, pottery, basket making, hand embroidery are usually learned from one person to another. Many people in India earn their living by selling these kinds of things. Whether one learns something in a college, like a doctor, or outside a college from another person, like the weaver, both earn their living jobs. Now you understood? Children, open your workbook, page 21, S3, weaving. First, please observe the picture for 1 minute. Did you observe? Okay. What he is doing, that you have to observe and you have to write the answer here. 1. Look at the picture and answer the question. Now this is column wise. First column, second and third. Children, please write date, children. Okay, date is 21. 21-8-2020. Now, first column, what is the man doing? What is he using to make this? That answer you have to write. Now, this work you only should do. Okay, observe, read from reader, observe this picture and you have to write. What he is doing? The man is weaving basket. He is using his hands and forehands and taking care. Now, where do you think he learned this skill? Where he has learned this skill, children? You know that he has learned from his family members or elderly persons. Right? One or two bits. Okay. Points. Third column, what kind of problems can he have in his job? The problems I told you. Okay. Now he may not get enough cane to make. This is with cane he is weaving. Okay. Basket. Or cane may be expensive. That also is a problem for him to buy. Second point, people may not buy them at a cheap price. Or any other points you can write, children. Your wish. Okay, do this homework. Today's homework. Okay, all the best, children.